In this video, we will learn how to extract domain names from Uniform Resource Locators, or URLs. Domain extraction is the process of retrieving just the domain part, such as example.com, from a full URL. Let's see some examples. Let's understand the structure of a URL. A typical URL consists of several components. These include the protocol such as Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure or HTTPS or Hypertext Transfer Protocol or HTTP, the subdomain, the domain name itself, and the path to a specific resource. For example, in the URL https://www.example.com/products/page, HTTPS is the protocol, www is the subdomain, example.com is the domain, and /products/page is the path. Understanding these components helps in extracting the domain efficiently. Let's explore a basic approach to extract the domain using Python. The urlparse function from the urllib.parse module is a built-in Python solution for parsing URLs. First, import urlparse from urllib.parse. Then parse the URL using urlparse. The netlock attribute of the parsed URL contains the network location, including the subdomain. Printing parse.netlock will give you the domain along with any subdomains. To get a clean domain name without the subdomain, we can add a simple check. After extracting the domain, check if it starts with www. If it does, remove the first 4 characters to eliminate the www. Prefix. This leaves you with just the core domain name, for instance example.com. Regular expressions offer a powerful way to extract domain names, especially when dealing with various URL formats. Import the re-module and define a regex pattern to match the domain. The pattern provided looks for the domain part of the URL, optionally removing www. Using re.search with the pattern in URL, extract the domain using match.group1. This method is flexible and can handle different URL structures. Here is a complete function that combines the urlparse method with subdomain removal for robust domain extraction. The function extract_domain takes a URL as input, parses it using urlparse, extracts the netlock, and removes the www. Prefix if present. This function provides a reusable and clean way to extract domain names from any URL. To ensure our function works correctly, let's test it with a few examples. We create a list of URLs and loop through them, applying the extract_domain function to each. The results show the extracted domain names for each URL, demonstrating the function's effectiveness in various scenarios. For example, for the URL https://www.google.com/search, the extracted domain is google.com. Here are the key takeaways from this video. The urlparse method is a built-in Python solution for URL parsing and domain extraction. To get clean domain names, we can remove the www. Prefix for consistent domain names. Regular expressions provide an alternative pattern matching approach for complex URL extraction scenarios. Finally, creating reusable functions helps in performing repeated domain extraction tasks efficiently. Domain extraction is essential for various applications, including web scraping, analytics, and URL processing tasks. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.